Japan trips have a way of ruining your suitcase. Here are 5 things I wish someone had told me before my first trip. Tip 1. Pack a spare empty duffel folded into your bag, because Japan makes it dangerously easy to buy more than you planned. Ceramics, snacks, stationery, it adds up fast. And if you are visiting friends or family, go a step further. Bring an entire suitcase full of gifts for them. You empty it out early in the trip, and suddenly you have got a whole extra bag worth of space for the souvenirs, snacks, and finds you will pick up everywhere else. Tip 2. Get an IC card the moment you land. A Suica or Pasmo card is the single biggest quality of life upgrade for getting around Japan. Tap it on trains, buses, vending machines, and convenience store registers. No fumbling with ticket machines or exact change every single stop. Grab the physical card at the airport or load a digital version straight onto your phone before you even leave the plane. Either way, do this before you touch a train platform. Tip 3. Carry more cash than you think you will need. Japan has a reputation for being high-tech, but it still runs heavily on cash. Small restaurants, local shops, temples, and plenty of vending machines will not take a card at all. ATMs at convenience stores like 7-Eleven reliably accept foreign cards, so that is your best refill spot. Keep a stack of 10,000 yen or so on hand at all times, and never assume you can just tap a card and go. Tip 4. Learn a handful of etiquette basics before you go. No tipping, ever. It can actually come across as rude rather than generous. Keep phone calls and loud conversation off trains. Take your shoes off wherever you see a shoe rack at the entrance. Stand on one side of the escalator so people can walk past on the other. And try to avoid eating while walking down the street. It is just not the norm here. Tip 5. Set up your connectivity before you land, not after. Order a pocket Wi-Fi or grab an eSIM before your flight so you are online the moment you touch down. Then load a couple of offline maps and a translator app with camera scanning onto your phone. Google Translate's camera feature alone will save you constantly, whether it is a menu, a train sign, or a product label at the convenience store. Get those 5 right, and your first trip to Japan goes from stressful guesswork to smooth sailing from the moment you land. Save this video for later, and let me know in the comments what you would add to the list.